you doing? This is Sam, the Frugal Hoogal Gardener. This morning, it's that time in the month again. I have to go around and fertilize my banana plants. And this is a continuation, month 3, of fertilizing my test banana plants with different type of fertilizers. So with that said, I need to go ahead and fill up these containers with the fertilizer, and I'll get back to you. Okay, so on plant number 1, I got 20, 10, 20. Plant number 2, I got 10, 5, 14. Plant number 3, I have AgroThrive. Plant number 4, I got 10, 10, 10. And plant number 5, I got 12, 6, 10. Now 4 and 5 are granular time release. They're gonna go over here just because my hose reaches it. The other 1, 2, and 3 are liquid. Those are gonna go over to my other banana plants where the hose don't reach. So let's get on with it. Okay, so I have my fertilizer mix. This is liquid, 20, 10, 20. I'm gonna put it around this plant. Okay, so right over here, I got 10, 5, 14. Gotta look out for that ant mound. Okay, so right over here, I have AgroThrive, which is 335. It's good for forming the roots, and you can see the progress. This is plant number 3. They're all doing good. I'll show you them in a second. Look how dark the AgroThrive is. Okay, so compared to month 1, month 2, and this is month 3, the beginning of the month, so really 2 months of growth, you can see the difference of when I planted it. This is plant number 2. You can see the growth. The base is again thick, a lot more leaves, they're doing well. And the AgroThrive, same thing, it's doing good, getting a lot of leaves. Now the AgroThrive plant, remember, it was the smallest of them, but it's getting wide and it's shooting up nicely. Pretty soon, I believe it will catch up with those. So let's go do number 4, number 5. Okay, so here I am in front of plant number 4. I have a cup full of 10, 10, 10. Now what I'm gonna do with this, I'm going to move all this away. Remember, that's the Mexican sunflower I chipped up. So I'm going to put my granules all the way around. This is time released. And then I'm going to push all this back over it. Just like that. I'm going to come over here and hose it in, and the rain and Mother Nature is going to have to do the rest. Okay, so this is plant number 5. It was the smallest, and the first month I did not have fertilizer, but it was on order, so it came in the second month. So this is only the second time I'm fertilizing this. I cut it back last time, but as you can see, it's growing. So I'm going to go ahead and remove some of the Mexican sunflower chips. I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle the 10-10-10 around. And I'm going to put all this back. Okay, so this is number 5. This is number 4. So you can see the progress that they're getting. I got 5 different fertilizers. Each plant is getting them. And each month we're tracking the results. This is my 3rd time fertilizing and my 3rd video. I'm going to keep fertilizing until they're full grown and produce fruit. And we can see which fertilizer does the best. Okay, so hey, with that said, this is Sam, the Frugal Hoogle Gardener. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, give me a like, give me a share, subscribe to my channel. Come on over to my Facebook banana group. The link is in the description below. Just click on it. Hope to see you there. Okay, a little more bonus footage. I'm glad I'm not allergic to bee stings. Look at, can you see how much? I got stung over there, but look at all this whole area. Can you see how much that swelled up? See the finger difference? And look at the hand difference. I hate getting stung by bees, but like I said, I'm so glad that in all the time I've been growing bananas, and there's hundreds of bees on all my banana blossoms and in my garden as well, I could work and harvest right next to them all, and I never get stung, and they're flying around my head. Here I am in the middle of nowhere. There's not a blossom around that I could see within, 10 feet or so. And I get stung doing a video. Go figure.